Class 3 Computer. Class 3 Computer. Today we are going to learn more about hardware and software. Today we are going to learn more about hardware and software. In our previous class, we learnt about what is hardware, what is an input and output devices. So you got the concept clear. What is a hardware, what is an input and output devices. So today we are going to learn about what is software, what are the types of software. So we are going to learn briefly about software today. Okay, so let's get started. A very good day to my dear students. I hope you all are good in health. Stay safe and stay in home. Software. Okay, so today we are going to talk about software. What do you understand by software? Software, on the other hand, like you know, hardware was a system which we can see, which we can touch, we can feel. Okay, that is hardware. But software is just the opposite. It refers to the set of instructions or programs of the computer system which cannot be touched, yet the computer system cannot perform any functions without it. Which software makes a computer a multitasking and powerful machine. So software, on the other hand, refers to the set of instructions or programs in the computer system which cannot be touched, yet the computer system cannot perform any function without it, which makes a computer system a multitasking and a powerful machine. Clear? So this is the software. Now see, what is a software? A proper definition of a software. A software is a set of instructions. A software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. Examples are Notepad, MS Paint, Tux Paint, etc. So examples of a software are Notepad, MS Paint, Tux Paint, and etc. These are the examples of a software. Now Tech Corner. Now see the Tech Corner. Blu-ray disc or BD. Blu-ray disc or BD is the latest storage device which is capable of storing ultra high definition or UHD videos. Okay, so Blu-ray disc or BD is the latest storage device which is capable of storing ultra high definition or UHD videos. There are different types of software which is built. Okay, there are different types of software which is built for different jobs. Okay, so software allows us to interact with the hardware of the computer. Okay, so software allows us to interact with the hardware and it gives control over them. We can control the hardware by using the software of the computer. Okay, it does not wear out like a hardware, but new software has to be created for growing needs of a people and organization. It does not wear out like a hardware, but new software has to be created for growing needs of people and organization. Types of software. So you know there are two types of software, that is system software and application software. There are two types of software, that is system software and application software. System software. System software. System software is a software which controls the overall functions of a computer. System software is a software which controls overall functions of a computer. Examples of a system software is operating system. Operating system is an example of a system software. This software helps the computer to function properly. This software helps the computer to function properly. Without system software, we cannot start or shut down a computer. Without a system software, we cannot start or shut down a computer. Examples of operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 10, Mac OS, Linux and Unix. So these are the examples of operating system. These are not the example of system software. When it is asked that what is an example, write an example or name an example of a system software, that will be operating system. But when it is asked that what is the example of operating system, then you are going to write Windows 7, Windows 10, Mac OS, Linux and Unix. Application software. Application software. Application software is a software which is used to do specific tasks on the computer. Application software is a software which is used to do a specific task on the computer. When the system software runs the computer smoothly, when the system software runs the computer smoothly, we need a software to do different kinds of work. We need a software to do different kinds of work. Then application software is required. So what are the examples of application software? Application software examples are number 1, a word processors. A word processors like Notepad, WordPad and MS Word. So word processors like Notepad, WordPad and MS Word. Drawing and graphic programs like MS Paint and Tux Paint. Drawing and graphic programs like MS Paint and Tux Paint. Video and messaging applications like Skype. Videos and messaging applications like Skype. Now you got clear about the concepts of hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer and software is a set of instructions given to the computer. There are two types of software, that is system and application software. System software controls the overall functions. Operating system is an example of a system software and application software is used to do specific tasks on the computer. Now we are going to solve some exercises regarding this. So the exercises are in the next slide. So please do it. Try to do it by your own. Fill in the blanks. Number A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash refers to the physical part of a computer. Dash refers to the physical part of a computer. What refers to the physical part? Yes, hardware refers to the physical part of a computer. Number 2, joystick is an dash device. Joystick is an dash device. Joystick is an input device. A dash is a digital camera which is connected to a computer to capture pictures and videos. Dash is a digital camera which is connected to a computer to capture pictures and videos. That is a web camera. Dash is used to do a specific tasks on the computer. Dash is used to do specific tasks on the computer, that is application software. Number B, take the pictures which represents hardware. So take the pictures which represents hardware. So you can know, now you know what are the hardwares and software. So you are going to do this thing by your own. State whether the given statements are true or false. Okay, so you know how to write as you have already done in class 1, class 2. Now you are very familiar how to write true or false when it is written. State whether the given statements are true, that is in bracket T, or false in bracket F. So when it is written like this, just you are going to write T or F. But when it is written write true or false, then you have to write full sentence, that is TRUE, that you have to write full word, true and false. Clear? Now see the number first. CD is an external storage device. Number 1, CD is an external storage device. This is true, that is T. Paint program is a system software. Paint program is a system software, that is F. System software controls the overall functions of a computer. System software controls the overall functions of a computer, that is T. Windows 10 is an operating system. Windows 10 is an operating system, that is true, T. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. This is not an input device. This is not an input device. Keyboard, monitor or mouse. Which one is not an input device? Monitor is not an input device. It is an output device. Number 2. This is an example of software. This is an example of software. Mouse, keyboard, WordPad. Mouse, keyboard or WordPad. Which one is a software? WordPad. WordPad is an software because mouse and keyboard is an input device. Okay. So which of these statements is correct? Which of these statements is correct? A computer needs only hardware to function. A computer needs both hardware and software to function. A computer needs only software to function. So the correct answer is number B. A computer needs both hardware and software to function. Now you are going to do this following question answers. Now see, now I am going to just discuss it. Okay, so what is a software? So you know what is a software? Let me tell you once more what is a software. A software is a set of instructions given to a computer to do a particular task. Examples you also have to write. Examples are Notepad, MS Paint, Tux Paint, etc. So this is the answer of a question, what is software. Now the second question is, what is a system software? Give example. So what is a system software? You are going to write the answer just like this. System software is a software which controls the overall functions of a computer. Okay, I am repeating once more. System software is a software which controls the overall functions of a computer. Example of a system software is an operating system. Example of a system software is an operating system. Now the third question is, what is an application software? Give an example. What is an application software? Give example. So the answer will be like this. Application software is a software which is used to do a specific tasks on the computer. Application software is a software which is used to do specific tasks on the computer. So examples of application software are, anyone. In your book it is written 3 example. You can just write any one example. I am telling you any one example. Word processors like Notepad, WordPad and MS Word. Word processor like Notepad, WordPad and MS Word are the examples of an application software. And the last question is, what is the main function of operating system? So what is the main function of an operating system? So the answer will be, operating system helps the computer to function properly. Operating system helps the computer to function properly. This is the only main function of an operating system. Okay, so please go through the chapter thoroughly. Till then, thank you.